Hey team! Nice job! Good job today! Ang galing niyo kanina. Dwight, practice ka pa. Okay? Kailangan manalo ka next week's finals. Okay? Okay, for Arena. Dismissed!
DNA fingerprinting works on the principle that no two fingerprints are the same, much like no two DNA are the same. What they usually use is restriction fragment length polymorphism. In this procedure, enzymes are used to cut segments of DNA, and these will be subjected to electrophoresis. In electrophoresis, the DNA strands are compared to see who the actual victim is or who the actual murderer is.
Kasi kailangan
Name?
Mark Fabian,
Age?
16.
Would you know if the victim had any conflict with any other person?
Well, I did hear the coach reprimanding him, something about overexerting himself.
The coach?
I'm not too sure, but she did sound pretty mad.
When was this?
It was during our last practice together. Yeah.
What is your relationship with the victim?
Obviously, we're rivals, but we're good friends. Yeah.
Good friends? Are you sure?
Yeah, but I guess there was this one point in time where we were fighting over this girl. Oh, no, that's the past.
Are you sure?
Of course. Of course.
When was the last time you were together?
Well, it would be the last time we practiced for the competition.
Where were you during the time of the murder?
Oh, I was in the cafeteria buying a drink, because it was just after practice.
Are you certain of your words?
Of course.
Do you have anything else to say?
No.
Thank you. Please do not disclose any of this information. Name?
Aaron Angelo Noel,
Age.
14.
Would you know if the victim had any conflict with any other person?
I don't actually know. I don't usually stay with them.
Why
I
not?
practice usually by myself.
Why not?
I like it better that way.
You're a freshman, right?
Yeah.
What is your relationship with the victim?
Well, we're part of the team, but we don't usually interact that much.
Are you sure you don't interact?
Well, he sometimes tells me to get him buy water or stuff like that.
So he bullies you.
I wouldn't not. Well, yeah.
When was the last time you were together?
Well, we had a practice. Our last practice. That's the last time I saw him.
Where were you during the time of the murder?
I was at home actually. I got home pretty early.
Are you certain of your words?
Yeah.
Do you have anything else to say?
No.
Thank you. Please do not disclose any of this information. Name,
Joel Noriko G. Galang,
age.
16 years old.
Would you know if the victim had any conflict with any other person?
I'm not exactly sure if he had any conflict with other people since we're not that close anymore.
Why not anymore?
We used to be best friends, but then I started to hang out with another friend, and I guess we just grew apart and we don't know anything about each other anymore.
Who is the other friend?
Mark Fabian.
What is your relationship with the victim?
We used to be best friends, and it's just that we're best friends.
Just best friends?
Yes.
Do you have any feelings for him?
No, I don't.
When was the last time you were together?
I guess it was the last practice that we had. It was just the other day.
Where were you during the time of the murder?
I was with Mark at the cafeteria, and we just bought drinks.
Are you certain of your words?
Yes.
Do you have anything else to say?
No.
Thank you. Please do not disclose any of this information. Name,
Rani Elena Domingo,
age,
23 years old.
fresh graduate.
Yeah.
Would you know if the victim had any conflict with any other person?
I don't think he has any conflict, but I do know that he is rival with Mark.
What is your relationship with the victim?
I'm his coach.
You don't spend time with him outside of practices?
Other than practice, no, I don't see him actually.
When was the last time you were together?
Last time we had practice together, which was the other day, or I'm not really sure what date anymore.
Where were you during the time of the murder?
I was in my office checking some things.
Things?
Yeah, I was packing my bags, getting ready to go home.
Do you have any hatred against your student?
No, why would I hate him? He's the best I have.
Are you certain of your words?
Yeah, totally.
Do you have anything else to say?
No.
Okay. Thank you. Please do not disclose any of this information.
So, who do you think is the murderer?
According to lab analysis, the murderer is none other than